In this video, we'll show you how to perform a factory reset of your Starlink router. A factory reset is advised if you have forgotten your Wi-Fi password, are transferring your Starlink to someone else, or you want to join an additional router to an existing Starlink Wi-Fi network. To perform a factory reset with the app, you will need to be signed into your account with your router online. Navigate to Settings and select the Factory Reset option. Once selected, drag the slider to Factory Reset your router. Keep in mind, performing a factory reset will remove all Wi-Fi settings, including your Wi-Fi network name and password. To perform a manual reset, you will need to identify your router version. A Gen 2 router must be power cycled by unplugging and replugging the power cable 6 times on a 1 to 2 second interval. Gen 1 and 3 routers will require you to press the pinhole button found on the back or bottom of the router using a paperclip or something similar. Booting will take several minutes. After your router has been reset, you will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and set a new network ID and password. Most home devices will automatically reconnect if you entered the same username and password. Otherwise, be sure to reconnect your devices to your new Starlink network after factory resetting.